Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by setting up and funding your Moomoo account so you can trade immediately. Complete KYC with your ID and selfie, then link a bank and confirm micro deposits. This clears transfers. Choose the account type you need, individual, joint, or IRA, and opt into margin only if you understand the risks. Once done, transfer the amount you plan to invest and let it settle. This makes funds available for stock purchases without delays. Next, research the stock on Moomoo. Pull up the ticker, use charts, level 2 quotes, and read analyst summaries so you know why you want the position. Decide order type, market for immediate fills, limit to control price, or stop limit for conditional execution, and enter either share count or dollar amount. Size the trade using a risk percentage or fixed allocation and check your buying power. This prevents accidental overexposure and ensures the trade fits your plan. Finally, review the order preview carefully, ticker, buy or sell, price, quantity, and any fees, then submit the order. Watch the Orders tab to confirm execution or partial fills. If filled, the position appears in your portfolio and P&L updates in real time. If the order fails or is rejected, make sure your bank transfer settled, you have sufficient margin, and your app is up to date. If problems persist, contact Moomoo support with the order ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.